next question. Question number 5. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Light is electromagnetic wave. Its speed, the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So how to solve this question? Very easy. What is given and what you have to find? First you try to draw the diagram. Okay, suppose this is a satellite. Okay, and this is a ground space. This is the ground surface. Okay, now this is space station. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. The time taken by the signal is 5 minutes. So you can convert directly into second. 5 into 60 seconds. So time is given. What was the distance? You have to find the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time, and speed is given. The wave which is coming is an electromagnetic wave having a speed of how much? Speed is given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So very simple, you have to just multiply. Distance is equal to speed into time, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 into time is 5 into 60. So answer is how much? You can comment me. Okay, you just multiply and comment me the answer. Question number 2. What is given? A bus which is moving, having initial velocity and final velocity. So suppose this is a bus, okay, and it is moving, having initial velocity and having final velocity. So what is the value of u? U is given. U is 80 km per hour. Okay, v is how much? V is also given. V is changes, means velocity is also given, kilometer per hour. Okay, and what is the time? Time is 5 seconds. You have to find acceleration. What is the formula for acceleration? Already discussed. Acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. Okay, this is the formula for acceleration. This is final velocity, this is initial velocity, this is time. So this is not in SI unit. First of all, you have to convert into SI unit. That is, here the time is in second. That's why you have to convert into meter per second. How to convert? Directly see, 80 into 1 kilometer is how much? 1000 meter, and 1 hour means 3600 second. Similarly, here also you can write 60 into 1000 meter upon 3600 second. So directly you see one thing, here 20 will cancel, 2 5 are 10, 2 8 means 2 1 2, 2 8 16. So whenever you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you directly do one thing, you just multiply 5 by 18 term. It will directly convert into meter second. This is the constant term we have to multiply by converting any kilometer, any physical quantity having unit kilometer per hour into meter per second. Directly you have to multiply with 5 by 18. Here also you see, this 20 will cancel, 2 5 are 10, 2 1 2, 2 8 16 means directly 5 by 18 टर्म आ रहा है, ये तो कटेगा नहीं. अब इसको आगे सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. तो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? वेरी इजी. 8 5 जा कितना होगा ये? 8 5 जा 40, 8 5 जा 40, 0, ये 18 आया. यहाँ भी वैसे ही आएगा, ये कटेगा तो कितना बचेगा? 5 by 18. तो यहाँ भी आप क्या लिखोगे? 5 6 जा 30 and 0 upon 18. Now don't divide it. Okay, very easy, you can solve. Now put the values. So A is how much? A is equal to V. V is 400. Final velocity is 300. Sorry, here you see the velocity is decreasing. It means body is retarding. Okay, whenever the magnitude, here you see the magnitude is decreasing. Initially it is 80, now it becomes 60. Means you can say that speed, the magnitude of velocity is decreasing. Hence you can simply say that body is retarding. Okay. So acceleration is how much? Acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. So simply v is 300 upon 18 minus this is 400 upon 80, v minus u. Directly you put the values and time is given in 5 seconds. Now how to solve? Very easy. You take out LCM 18. Here 300 minus 400 become 100 minus 100 क्योंकि 400 बड़ा है और 400 के आगे क्या है? कौन सा साइन है? माइनस साइन है. दैट्स वाई हमें तो 100 मिलेगा ही डिफरेंस, लेकिन 400 बड़ी वैल्यू है और उसके आगे माइनस है. दैट्स वाई हियर माइनस साइन इज देयर. नाउ 5. सो व्हाट इज द एक्सीलरेशन? minus 100 upon 18. This 5 will come in numerator, that is 5 by, that is, sorry, this will become 100 by 18. This 1 will, if nothing is there, you can directly put 1. Now this will reverse this, that is 1 by 5. Now you have to solve this and you have to comment me the answer. Okay, you can solve it. You first multiply 1, that is 100 upon first multiply, then divide it and write the value in comment. Okay, if you want to cancel, you can again cancel to 50. This is 50, this is 9, means 50 upon 49. You divide it and you comment me the answer. Okay, let's see who can solve. Next, question number 3. It is given a train starting from a railway station and moving with a uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 seconds. Question number 3, page number 103. Okay, you have to find the acceleration. Okay, how to solve this question? Very easy. First draw the diagram, write the given data, then start solving. Okay, so what is given? A train. So you know, train is, suppose this is a train. Okay, suppose this is a new type of train. This is also a train. Its initial velocity is u, final velocity is v. In this question, it is given a train starting from railway station, means this is a railway station, and train is starting from railway station. It means we can say that initial speed is 0. Whenever any object starting from rest or starting from railway station, okay, means its initial velocity we have to take 0. And if it is given that body is moving, means its initial, already body is moving, means it is having some initial velocity. Okay, so here you can say directly train starting from railway station means its initial velocity is 0. Okay, and moving with constant acceleration. देखो a क्या है? a है constant, और जहाँ acceleration constant होता है वहाँ हम कौन सी equation use कर सकते हैं? Kinematic equation. There we can use the kinematic equation. Okay, acceleration must be constant for using kinematic equation. Now attains a speed means final velocity how much? Final velocity become 40 km per hour. 40 km per hour in how much? In time is given 10 minutes. This is the given data. First you write this, draw the diagram. Okay, this is question number 3, page number 103. Okay, NCERT Intext question. So you have to find the acceleration. First write the formula v minus u upon t. This is kinematic equation. ये कैसे आया? Acceleration is change in velocity upon time, change in time. तो आप ये भी जानते थे v is equal to u plus at. This is kinematic equation. So v minus u is equal to at. Then what is a? A is equal to v minus u upon t. This is the value of a. Now what to do? You just put the values. Okay, I am doing here. A is how much? A is equal to v. But see the unit here, it is in minute and here it is in kilometer per hour. So you convert this into meter per second. How to convert? Simply just multiply 5 by 18. आपको 5 by 18 मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. और टाइम भी किस में दिया गई है? मिनट में दी गई है, तो आप इसको चेंज कर लो. तो टाइम क्या हो जाएगा सेकंड में? 10 into 60, दैट इज टाइम इज 600 सेकेंड. ठीक है, टाइम भी आपको मालूम है, वेलोसिटी भी आपको मालूम है. ठीक है, जब जहाँ तक कैंसिल होता है कैंसिल करना. ये 20 हो जाएगा और ये 9 हो जाएगा. अब दिस इज इन मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज. a इज इक्वल टू v माइनस u, दैट इज 20 into 5, दैट इज 100. ओके, 100 अपॉन 9 माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 0. ओके, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 0 अपॉन टाइम इज हाउ मच? 10 minutes. 10 minutes means 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you can write 10 into 60, that is 600. Okay, so a is how much? 100 upon, so you can directly write one thing, in denominator you can write 1. Now what is the value of a? 100 upon 9 into, now it will reverse, 1 upon 600. Okay, now this is a is equal to 1 by 9 into 6. You again solve this and you comment me what is the unit of acceleration? Meter per second square. You can also write meter second to the power minus 2. Both are correct. Okay, both are correct. So you have to divide it and comment me the answer. Let's see who can solve. So this is all about today's lecture. In the next class we will do 107 and 109 page number in text question. Okay, thank you.